Following relentless heavy rainfall that triggered multiple landslides, 60 Kanchancherra constituency MLA Philip Kumar Reang on Friday conducted an emergency on-site inspection of the severely affected Chandipur to Kanchancherra road exist. The vital transport linked suffered extensive structural damage, cutting off routing connectivity for several remote villages in the subdivision.
To ensure a coordinated administrative response, the legislature was accompanied by local villagers, the SDM, the Deputy Collector of Kanchancherra, and senior engineers from the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. During the field evaluation, MLA Philip Kumar Reang reviewed the heavy machinery deployment and safety measures being taken to clear the massive debris fields.
Mana drain to lai nai do bode ni ne ha to abo
bola mano na kada jadi permanen ka ma ke lise tai mu tu khala obode ke moto moto bode ke time lang na obom phang ko bode ke no pura ba khai
do kau ke arse bo ke to ke bo ke NHID seli lama si ha ke bo ke skang PWD lama ke bo NHID sel ke skang budi se highway tu na hi ke mo ba lama budi to re nai dek ma ke nai da bo ke brang ha ba lama ha to ke na ke baki bo ye ri ti ni to kai thamro ba
Reported by Sanjay Reang from Kanchancherra, Chini, Khorang.